Welcome. Today, we're going to walk you through a quick and easy guide on how to change the color of your Drafts folder in Outlook on PC. This new update makes it simple to personalize your mailbox and add a splash of color to your email organization. Let's get started. First, open Outlook from your browser. Make sure you're using the latest version of Outlook for the best experience. Once you're logged in, locate the navigation panel on the left side of your screen. Here, you'll see all your folders, including Inbox, Sent Items, and Drafts. Next, find the three horizontal lines at the top of the page. Click on them to expand additional options for your folders. This will make it easier to access customization features. Now head over to the Drafts folder in your list. Look for three small dots next to the word Drafts. These dots represent the menu for folder-specific actions. Click on them to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Change Color. A palette will appear with various color options for you to choose from. Browse through these colors and pick one that suits your style or helps you identify your Drafts folder more easily. Once you've selected a color, click Save or simply confirm your choice. The Drafts folder will instantly update with the new color, making it stand out among your other folders. And that's it. In just a few steps, you've successfully customized the look of your Drafts folder in Outlook. This feature is perfect for keeping your mailbox visually organized and tailored to your preferences. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to explore more customization options in Outlook to make your email experience even better.